up, America? DJ B Love, PowerJamsDJs. I just got one thing to say to you. Bang, bang, she got it. Bang, bang, she got it. Who else got it? I got it. We got it. We got the joint. Look at the joint. Look at the joint. We're finna open the box. You don't even know what's in there. You don't even know. But bang, bang, she got it. DJ B Love got it. Ow. DJ B Love, just got one thing to say. I know I keep saying that, but I don't want to brag. But look in the box. Ow! Can you see it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Back when Mike was black, rest in peace. Bang, bang, she got it. Bang, bang, she got it. I gotta get good at that part. I be saying people hitting the. I ain't there yet, but I'm getting there. Oh, hold up. No scratches yet. Bang, bang, she got it. I gotta get a new song in my head. But I just got one more thing to say. The PowerJamsDJs got the NS7ii. You already know it. You already know it. Look at that joker. Excuse the shadow. Ow! Bang, bang, we got it. Bang, bang, we got it. It's this one thing that got me tripping. That's a freebie. I just came up with that one on the spot. Because what I was about to say was, bang, bang, we got it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh man, it's more stuff. Hold on, it's like Christmas. Every time you pop a piece of tape, you think you're gonna see the joint. You got one more thing to look at. Okay. Power cable and a little bubble joint. Save these for when you had them gigs where, you know, we all got them, where you gotta look busy. You can keep your hands down low by the controller like you doing stuff. And just be popping the bubble wrap. I used to teach school. I got some tricks up my sleeve. See, user, that's us. User's guide, that's us. You got one of these? Bang, bang, we got it. I'm going to stop saying it. I swear I am any minute now. If you can't hear what I'm trying to say. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, we gotta stop one more time so we can do the other part. So hold up. What's up? We back. It's on the table now. It's on fire tonight. It's on fire tonight. I got a million of them. You ready? Gotta go slow on this part. Uh-oh. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Ow! Can you feel it? You ready? Can you feel it? Oh yeah! Let's apply the that's what this is. Until the homeschooling parent in me gets a hold of them. We need something. So yeah, so like on the cooking shows, you got the recipe before and the recipe after. So this is what's inside the box. Ow! It's the platter fabric. Can you feel it? It's in the little white paper, just like if you was buying it at the record store. What's up, American? DJ B Love back and forth. We about to turn this joint on. Look. See the platters? It's vinyl, dog. It's vinyl. I feel like I'm going slam back to the 70s. Somebody pass me a Rick James album. Ow! I'm about to turn it on. For the first time as a married couple. Shout out to DJ J Rock. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Look how pretty. Coming to a club near you, Bamas. About to configure all the software, and we're gonna get right back at you. Wicked. Oh, can you, oh my God. Okay, we gotta go. I'll be back. This joint is so critical. Oh my God. The drummer in me just can't take it. Can you say, can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you? I can't believe it. It's in my home. What the hell is going on the DJ stand in my own home? Tell me where you were. Welcome to the low life.